Traders, I get a lot of questions from new to old traders asking about how much money they should risk in a trade and what lot size they should use. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about a tool which will solve all your problems related to lot size and how much money you should risk in a trade. But before I go into that tool, first of all, let me tell you a couple of very big problems that even not only new traders but semi new traders as well, they make that mistake, and that is a very huge couple of mistakes. First of all, a lot of traders send me their screenshots, and what I see is that they are using different lot sizes in different trades. That's a very big mistake, traders. You should always be consistent with the lot size. Use the similar lot size until your account is triple or quadruple. For example, if your account size is $200, and if you are using 0.01 lot size, you should keep on using that similar lot size until your account reaches to $600-700 or $1,000. Then you can double it, double your lot size, make it 0.02 probably, and then keep on repeating the same formula. I mean, every day or every week, one trade with a different lot size and the other trade with a different lot size. That is a very big mistake. I mean, you are just confusing the whole RR ratio by that. For example, if you win the trade with one lot size and then the other trade is with a bigger lot size, and then you lose it, you just confuse everything basically. So never make this mistake. Be consistent with the lot size, and then when you change it, then just keep it the same until your account reaches to a certain level, and then you change the lot size. The second mistake that traders make is that they make a demo account for practice for $50,000, while a real account that they are gonna make is with live money is $500 or $1,000. That's a very big mistake. What's the point? You should always make a demo account of the similar amount that you are gonna make your account with the real money, so that you can have the real feel of that demo account. Otherwise, you will never get a proper practice of demo account. So don't make that mistake as well. Demo account should be the same amount that you are gonna make with your live account, your real money. Now let's go towards this tool that I was gonna tell you. Before that, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it, hit the bell icon button, and press the like button as well for the YouTube algorithm, because my main aim is from this channel is to help the new traders and make forex trading very simple, so that a 12 years old child should be able to do that as well. If you want to make the same, if you want to impress people, someone has said, if you want to impress people, then make the things complicated for them, and if you want to help people, make the things simple for them. So I want to make the things simple for them. I don't want to make forex trading complicated like many others are doing, just to show their expertise. Now this tool is, if you go in Google and write pip calculator and click on the pip calculator, the top one probably will open is FXTM Global. Now, I mean, there are many that you can try if you want to, but I like this one. You click on that and pip value calculator FXTM will open. Now what you will do is that before going into a trade, before opening a trade of a certain pair, what you can do is put the amount that you are gonna put as a take profit, and also you can and then you can check on a certain lot size according to your own account how much money you will make if the TP hits, and also what will be your stop loss, and if your stop loss hits, how much money you will lose. That will give you a proper, value, proper number, so that you can go into the trade, with peace of mind that, okay, I can, in every business, every other business, you always think about profit first. You should think about profit first, but in forex trading, you should always think about the risk or the loss first. So I mean, if you can see what money you are gonna lose if your trade is gonna hit stop loss, then it will be very easy for you to just go into the trade and set and forget. Don't check your mobile phone after every 5 minutes what is going on with my trade, and that is gonna help you a lot in your trading. And also remember that the same pip value gives a different amount of money with different pairs. I mean, if 50 pips will give you, for example, whatever amount of euros or dollars or pounds, and in the same 50 pips, if you hit the stop loss or take profit with another pair, it will give you a completely different amount. So that is also a big problem that the new traders especially don't know about. They don't know, they think that, oh, I have made 20 pips with this pair, and now they will for example, lose 20 pips in another pair, but they might lose more money on the same 20 pips that they have made on the 20 pips with another pair. So these all things, technical things, you should know about. So how does it work? First of all, whichever money you want to choose Euro, USD or GBP. Let's choose USD here, and then you choose the pair from this drop down list, whichever pair you are going to trade, Euro, USD, for example. Then you should then you choose the pip amount. What is your, how many pips you want to take from this trade and come out of the trade. So that is called usually TP as well, take profit. So for example, you want to make 50 pips take profit in this trade. Now what is your lot size? It is standard lot size, or your lot size is smaller account 0.05 you are gonna put as a lot size. It will give you the exact amount if your target TP, take profit of 50 pips hits on this lot size, how much dollars you are gonna make, $25. And if you are whatever your risk to reward ratio is, I'm gonna make videos on risk to reward ratios as well. So for example, on 50 pips, your 1 to 2 RR or 1 to 1.5 RR or 1.35 RR, whatever your risk to reward is. So for example, your stop loss is going to be 20 pips on this trade. So if your stop loss hits, then you will lose $10 on this trade. So you can sort of then decide you want to lose 10 pounds or not, and if you don't want to lose the 10 pounds, then you reduce your some lot size. Now you will lose 6 pounds. And if your account size is bigger, you can increase your lot size. And how much money are you gonna lose? 20 pounds, but if $20, but if you hit your take profit, which is 50 pips, how much money you are gonna make? $250. So I mean, this is a very, very important I think tool that you should use before going into the trade. If you are gonna trade gold, and if your target is, for example, TP is 100 pips, and this is your whatever lot size is, your lot size is 1 standard, how much money you are gonna make? 100. And if your stop loss is 25 pips, how much are you gonna lose? $25. So just play around this, and see, I mean, on 25 pips, on odd NZD, AUD, Australian dollar against NZD, New Zealand dollar, on one standard lot, you are gonna, either if your stop loss is 25 pips, you are gonna lose $160. And if your, TP is 60 pips, then you are gonna make $385. So I mean, I hope that this video and this tool is gonna help you a lot in your trading, and you can use this tool to simplify your trades, to exactly know how much money you will make on any trade or lose on any trade. And it will give you a peace of mind, and you can take your trading to next level with the help of this tool. Traders, I hope you will like this video. If you did, please subscribe the channel, share the video with your friends, other groups, and I make these simple videos, just easy to understand. Press the bell icon button and like button as well. Until next video, traders, look after yourselves.